Hello, friends. Welcome to the knowledge world. Previously, we discussed about the Google groups, how we reach to that page, and this is the same page which we were discussing earlier. And here we'll see what are the things we can do and how we can use these groups, or how we can add more groups to that. So, just simply like I'm just going to show that page again, which we had earlier as well. So here, this is the page, and I'm just repeating once more. You need to sign in Gmail, then you need to Google, and then you will search google.com, sorry, Google Groups. When you will click, so that link would come, and here you need to go log in using your email address. Like I do have already this page. So here I have few groups already. So what are those groups, what kind of groups you we are going to use here and all. So let me show you like how, what is a group here. So let's say I'm clicking on any group. This is the group which I have not made. It has been made by someone else, but we can see the conversation and all as this person has allowed that. So here what we see, people are posting the different requirements as this is related to the requirement recruitment. So requirements are coming here, or sometime hot list would be coming. So if you are from the US staffing, so you will understand the terms as well. Same way you can use in your industry if you are not from the US staffing as well. So here we can see the emails are coming like that. If I click on this, like this person has sent from his Gmail ID, and this is the requirement on this. So what is the use of that, why he has sent on that? That is the main part. So like if this person has sent, so some meaning would be there, this also, this one also they are sending. And like you can see the 16th November also emails came. So why they are coming, what is the use of this? So we need to know what is a Google group. So Google group is a group where so many people are joining, and we are giving benefits to each other. So we can have same, like for an example, I'm working at B side of the business and you are working at A side of the business. So I need you and you need me. So we together will join groups like this, and I'll be posting my things there and you'll be posting your things there, and we can connect through those groups as well. So that is one thing. And here you can see the like the page about page. So where, how you will send anything on this group. So here, if you will go on the about page, this is the address for this group. If you will email on this group, so the people who have joined this group can get your email in that. So you need to subscribe. Before that, I'll be telling you how you can join or how you can subscribe any group. So this is the link, like you will put in your two or BCC anywhere, and you will email your things. Like for example, you to have any requirement for .NET developer, Java developer and all, so you will post or you will email using that. Okay, here you can see leave group is coming because I have subscribed already. And here if you see my membership like things and all, so here is the page where you see yourself. And these are the things which you select when you are subscribing. Each email mean every email would be coming separately to you into your inbox. When you are subscribing, you need to select this option that time. If you will select digest, average, or no email, so no emails means no email. These two are, I would say, few people are using that, but like I would say, like each email is better because here you get just links or like concluded emails, which are not going to be too much useful for you if you are in US staffing. So you need to do that accordingly. Now let's come like how we subscribe that. Here you will search. Let's say if you are in US staffing, so related to US staffing, you will put any keyword here. You will go all groups and messages, and then you will write here. So you can see 5119 groups matching query to this term, whatever I have posted. So I'll open any group, let's say this one. Here you can see join group. This is the same option which I was discussing earlier. Every new message, send daily summary, combined updates, don't send me updates. So we need every message and then join group. As you click on that, so you are the member of this group, so you will be getting automatically emails to your Gmail ID, but you will not be able to send email yet. Why? Because you did not copy the email address or the address of this group. So how you will do that? After joining, you will go to the about of this group, and then you will copy this and you will save it separately to the Excel sheet or any place where you feel you are comfortable with. I have made one Excel sheet where I am pasting all the Google groups which I have subscribed already. So when I'll be emailing on this, so it would go on that. So in the same manner, like I join 200 groups and I email like same time to all 200. I put them in BCC and I'm sending my requirements to that. So it goes automatically to thousands of people and we get response as well. So while you are sending, you need to put these IDs in BCC. While you want to just receive, so obviously those emails would be coming to your inbox directly. So hope this was helpful, how to subscribe the group and how you can see the things accordingly. Stay tuned. Please subscribe the channel and like and comment if you really find this helpful for you. And I'll be posting another video very soon as I was getting requests to post video. So I have done that and I'll be adding next video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Thank you.